Hi guys, it's Marky. How's it going? How you guys doing? I got a bunch of new Hot Wheels to show you guys. Check this out, new for 2022. This one's a nice Lamborghini Cyan FKP 37. I don't know if I pronounced that word right, but it comes from the factory fresh series, new for 2022 again. Beautiful. Let's get him out of the package. I love the graphics on the card, by the way. Look at that. Look at the mirrors, all the little details. Beautiful. And here we go. Here's the actual die-cast car. Beautiful Hot Wheels car. The color is amazing. It really stands out on the pegs. It's got the, looks like gold wheels or maybe a little orange. I think it's hard to tell. I think it's gold. And it has a really nice look. Nice lines. Check out the back end here. Oh my God. Look at all the details on this one. Pretty nice. It's got a little garbage there. What is that? It's incredible how much you see when you bring them close up. All the little details. All the little flaws. But this one's a beauty. Man, look at this front end. Wow. Nice badge there, Lamborghini badge. We do have the grille and the nice spoiler in the front there. Nice headlights. Windshield wipers. A lot of cool details on this one. Look at that. Look at all those cutouts here. Awesome looking Lamborghini. So cool. Here's a top view. And let's move him around a little bit. Side view. Looking so good. There you see the detail on the glass and that big, nice dashboard. It is a left side drive. We do have a little something going on there for a steering wheel. And again, all those details on the back end. Very cool. Lamborghini Cyan or Cyan. Beautiful 2021 copyright and stamped R18. This one is a new for 2022 casting. Also got this really nice 84 Mustang SVO in purple. Let me back off a little bit. Look at that. Check out this card. Nice graphics. Beautiful. Another great time hunting. I did, find these yesterday. So I had a nice time yesterday hunting for diecast. Found a bunch. Gonna show you a few, and I'll show you a few in the next video. Just not to not make it too long, but this is a really nice Mustang. Nice color. Let's bring them up a little closer. Gray wheels on this one. Bigger, fat tires in the back. Smaller ones in the front, a little skinnier. And we have that nice detail. Look at this. On the hood, and it comes down, the silver stripe. And then you see the SVO right there. And the stripe comes all across the door there on the bottom. The handles are painted in on these on this Mustang on both sides. Black handles. Lately they've been doing this where they just paint it over in the color of the car, but that's pretty cool. So the front end and the back end don't have a lot of painted in details, or hardly nothing. But the side does have the nice stripe, and the hood has a really cool design there. That looks really cool. Check out that little scoop there. Mirrors on the side. We do have this time the windshield wipers molded in the die-cast metal, not on the glass. You see the little indication there for the wipers, and we do have little vents right there as well. There are the wiper details. Details for the mirror right there. Nice handles on the doors. Left side driver, you can see the steering wheel right there. Really tall bucket seats inside in black. Nice black interior. Love the wheels. Got the double spokes. This car looks amazing. So beautiful. Look at that wing in the back here. Little tail and then a little wing up here. 84 Mustang SVO. 1984. Wow. This one goes way back. Let's see how he looks next to This really cool green looking Lamborghini. It's like a light metallic green color, and this one's a darker purple color. But these two together kind of look like one of the Halloween combinations that they use of color. Right in time for next month's Halloween party. They can arrive at the party in Halloween style. This is pretty nice. Look at that. Here's a little oh my god. Comparison, I'm sorry. Getting stuck for words here. Comparison of the two side views. Got a bunch more here to show you guys. Don't go away yet. Got a bunch more. I'm gonna crack open some more new Hot Wheels. Man, it's been a pretty cool, fun, I would say probably week already of finding really cool Hot Wheels. I found this one really nice Dodge Challenger drift car in the white and red. 426. And then we have Mopar name right there. Look at the elephant. Pretty cool. And let me back it off a little bit so you can see. This is from the Hot Wheels Drift series. Here's a little logo for the Drift 305. Number 207 out of 254 this year. And check out the graphics. So nice. No mirrors shown on this one on the side. On the graphics or on the actual diecast. Wow, his first crash. His first crash. Right out of the package. Right out of the dealership. All right. Very cool. Very cool. Very nice. All right, guys, here it is. The secret word for this video is Mopar. So type Mopar in the comments, and like that I know you made it to halfway through the video. Secret word, Mopar. All right, guys, that is cool. Look at the wing in the back. Nice chrome stripe in red chrome, actually. Hot Wheels logo back here with all this paint splatter in red. That looks really cool. That's a nice Hot Wheels logo there. Formula Drift. There's the FD, Formula Drift. As you know, we do have another one that came out with this style. I think it was a Mustang. Very nice. All white in the back, kind of plain back there. Does have a spot for the license plate. Red interior against the white. My mom used to have a car like this with a white and red interior. A Nova. Look at this black grill. How cool. Yeah, she had a white Nova with red interior. It was so awesome. Dodge. This is a beauty. Beautiful car. I love this. I love this up here. So cool. Let's see the markings and whatever's going on down here. Ooh, wow. Look at these big fat tires, guys. Check it out. Dodge Challenger drift car made in Malaysia, stamped R18. It's a beauty. Yeah, I love this one. Let's see how he looks next to the Mustang. Oh, wow. Check it out. This would be a nice race right here, right? This Mustang against this nice Dodge. Challenger. Sometimes I want to say Charger by mistake. Challenger, yeah. Very, very nice. That looks cool. Here's the Lambo. All right, I got some more. Got some more nice Hot Wheels open up here. All right, let's go to the J Import series. I found the Mazda RX-7 in a new color. I think the last one I got of this one is the blue one. And now it's out in this really nice red color with a gold stripe, orange stripe, and a brighter orange, or maybe it's a red stripe. I think it's a brighter orange. I mean, the one in the middle, is that a red? It's gotta be like a darker orange, I guess. Very cool with that gold stripe there. This is a really cool series, turning out to have a lot of cool cars. Hot Wheels J Import series. There's the Japanese flag, and that's the logo for the series. Number 1 of 10, and we do have the number here for the year, 97 of 250. Really nice graphics on here. Look at the mirrors on the side, how cool. Wish we got those on this car, but no mirrors on this casting. Let's crack him open. Oh, wow. Look at the color on this. Great combo with all the gold and the orange against this red. Wow, check out that nice pipe back here. Beautiful. That looks awesome. I see cars all the time with these fat pipes on the road. Especially close to where I live, they have car shows every week. Great spot to live at if you like to see the car shows. Real life car shows. This one's a right side drive, guys. Has the steering wheel right here on the right. Again, no mirrors on the side, no windshield wipers. We do have a couple of vents right there. And check out that hood. Mazda name right there on the front, very tip. Very, very nice. Look at that. Beautiful shape on this car. There was a guy on my street that had this car, and he sold it not long ago. I think he bought it, fixed it up, used it for a while, and then he sold it. Very, very nice. I remember he painted it, had it painted in black. I don't know if that was the original color. I think it was red, then he painted it black and sold it. But this is so cool. So cool. Really nice casting. Love it. Dark interior. And then the red on the outside. Made in Malaysia. R19 stamped down here. Mazda RX-7. Copyright 2011. Another beauty. Another nice Hot Wheels. Here he is next to the Formula Drift. Dodge Challenger. I think this is the car that I lost. I don't know if you guys go back, if you're an OG, the video where I lost one of my cars at Walt Disney World when I was riding the Buzz Lightyear ride. And there's a video named like that. I lost my Hot Wheels at Walt Disney World. I think it was this one from the 5-pack, the one that came in blue. I think it was this car. Now, I'm not 100%, but for some reason I'm thinking it's that one. Or maybe there was a Dodge Challenger in the drift pack. I don't know. In the 5-pack that I had on me that day, and I lost it. I had him in my pocket loose and dropped it on the ride. Walt Disney World. Losing the Hot Wheels at Walt Disney World. Oh my God. Pretty funny. And I have another one, guys. Check this out. 1968 El Camino Hot Wheels Speed Shop, El Segundo, California. In this really nice blue color with the gold wheels, gold stripe on the blacked out wheels. Here's the card. Isn't that a beauty? Look at that card with all the graphics on the hood there. Nice pinstriping. I love this logo for the Rod Squad series. Look at that logo. Very cool with the flames and the wheel, the tire. Very cool. Let's get him out, crack him open. What do we have here? Oh, wow. So nice. El Segundo, California. Anybody from El Segundo watching? Say hello in the chat. Or if you want to let me know where you're watching from in the comment boxes below there in the chat, just comment what city, what state, what country you watch from. It's always fun to know where you guys watch from. Big giant engine, dark interior. Yeah, this is a nice one. So are you watching from USA, from Canada, from Australia, from the UK? The Philippines? Let me know, guys. Let me know. Really nice color. Again, are you watching maybe from India? Let me know, guys. So cool to know where you watch from. All right, so this one has a chrome front end. I like the chrome for this El Camino with the grill in chrome like that. It looks realistic to the times, and the bumper in chrome. The nice lights. A lot of striping going on here. And look at this. Looks like some edge wear or something on both sides. Or something. Just part of the, I think it's just part of the design. Hot Wheels logo all the way in the back. All blue up here in the gate. And then we have the chrome on the bottom. And look at all that. All the pipes for this incredible engine. We have this trim down here in chrome. There's the base, R18, stamped Hot Wheels up here, made in Malaysia. 1999 is the copyright, 68 El Camino, and then copyrighted again 2014. But a really nice 68 with the big fat tires in the back. Wow, what a beauty. A really nice El Camino. I have the one from Stars and Stripes, I remember now, and I think I have a green one as well from a 5-pack or something. But what a cool El Camino. Here it is next to the Lambo. Really nice Lamborghini, and then this really beautiful Mustang. A couple of nice American cars right there. And the Challenger, another American car. Very cool. And then against the Japanese Mazda. So awesome. These Hot Wheels are just so cool, so beautiful. Love collecting Hot Wheels. There they are, guys. So these are the 5 I'm showing today. Crack them open and share them with you today here. Just love these Hot Wheels. They're so good. I mean, I love finding new Hot Wheels that I don't have in my collection or colors that I don't have. So I didn't have this Lambo, which is new for 2022. And I don't know. I think I might have this one in another color, but I just can't remember. The Challenger I do have in another color. And I do have the Mazda in another color. And I have the El Camino in another color. But it's almost like new. Almost as good as a new casting, getting new colors. For me, at least. So guys, click on some of those videos I have on the screen showing there. So we can hang out some more and you can see some more cars from my collection. I have thousands of videos on my channel. And I want to welcome all the new subscribers. I've been having a lot of new people subbing. So thank you for subbing. And I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. I'll see you guys in the next one.